Summertime pasta with sweet corn and Escarole. First sweet corn of the season. Of course, we need it off the cob. And you see all that milk? We want that. We're starting with butter. Everyone loves corn sauteed in butter. And a little salt. A little heavy cream. That's the base of our sauce. Pancetta, Italian bacon, a thick slice of it. Cut into strips. Turn them and cut them again. We're looking for little cubes. Butter and bacon. Who doesn't like butter and bacon? That's not a head of lettuce. That's escarole. Escarole is a little bitter. If you can't get it, use radicchio. Cut that up into bite-sized pieces. We need it to fit on a fork. First, we want to render that Italian bacon. This is going to need lots of garlic and pepperoncino for heat. Add the Escarole and a little salt. That's it. Those bitter greens are going to be perfect with that sweet corn. Always cook your pasta in salted water. We're using shells. You could use ziti or farfalle. This is going to need a garnish of finely diced red onion. That red onion, good olive oil, and this is when you want the good balsamic. See how that good balsamic sticks to the onion? This is a simple pasta dish. Escarole, pasta, and sweet corn. That's summertime pasta. Of course it needs some Parm. And that diced onion mixture is going to brighten it up.
Who'd have thought you could cook lettuce? Oh my god. That just has so many flavors. Sweet corn, bitter escarole, and you got the cream in there you can just taste. There's a little chili pepper going on.
It all balances out.
The onions with the balsamic make it come alive.
That's a summertime vegetable pasta everyone's going to love.
It's light and fresh and full of flavor. That is a great summertime dish.